कहते हैं तुझसे दुश्मन मत ले हमारा इम्तिहान, कहते हैं तुझसे दुश्मन मत ले हमारा इम्तिहान, तू क्या जाने ताकत वतन की जिसे सब कहते हैं हिंदुस्तान। Freedom should not be something you have to deserve. It's something you just naturally have. Something that no one can take away from you. So, let's celebrate our freedom. Happy Independence Day and good morning everyone. Esteemed Principal Ma'am, benevolent teachers and dear school fellows, today we all have gathered here to mark the other landmark of success by celebrating 75th Independence Day of our beloved country, India. So, I, Simran Walia, from the core of my heart, welcome you all to today's function on behalf of the entire school family. A really warm welcome to respected and devoted parents and tiny tots. We have gathered here to render thanks and praise to God for all the good we have experienced in the land of our birth, India. This celebration symbolizes the freedom we have achieved through the independence, and we pay homage to the leaders who offered their life for freedom struggle. Let this day unite every citizen of India with one mind and heart, keeping the welfare of our nation, that everyone should make a happy home. To begin with, may we invite our Principal Ma'am to hoist the national flag. We shall now stand in attention for the hoisting of the flag. We feel proud to be Indians, and with pride, let's all respectfully sing the national anthem. Thank you all for the participation. To mark the day more memorable, we invite our Principal Ma'am, Mrs. Priya Sareen, to share her views on Independence Day.
Good morning everyone. On behalf of Rising Star Army Pre-Primary School, Mamoon Military Station, I would like to wish you all a very happy 75th Independence Day. On this auspicious day, let us all come together and promise to stand tall and protect our nation always. Let us pledge not to forget the struggles of our brave freedom fighters who laid their lives to free our country from the clutches of the British rule. Dear fellow beings, every outcome, good or bad, is the result of a thought process. And lucky that we are to be born in a free country, which is also apparently the largest democracy in the world. Let us have a strong vision and develop our thoughts into ideas that should finally be implemented. Since the pandemic started in 2020, our lives have undoubtedly become stagnant. However, the never-ending spirit of ours keeps motivating us to continuously find ways in order to tackle the situation in the best possible ways. and as early as possible. For if our resolution is strong, even the most difficult of the hurdles can be crossed with ease and happiness. My dear children, we miss you all as much as you do. And with each passing day, we hope that the situation will improve soon enough and we will be able to welcome you all back to the school hale and hearty. I would like to take this opportunity to extend my heartfelt thanks to the management, the clerical staff and the administrative staff who are there to help run the school smoothly and in the best possible manner in these tough times without any hitch or complaint. A special thanks to our teachers who are doing their level best to provide excellent education to our tiny tots by making use of the modern technologies. Let us not forget to be grateful for whatever we have and continue having positive thoughts and keep emerging victorious in every difficult situation. In the end, I would like to quote a few lines in the memory of our heroes, our freedom fighters. चलो फिर से वो नज़ारा याद कर लें, चलो फिर से वो नज़ारा याद कर लें, शहीदों के दिल में थी वो ज्वाला याद कर लें, चलो फिर से वो नज़ारा याद कर लें, शहीदों के दिल में थी वो ज्वाला याद कर लें, जिसमें बहकर आज़ादी पहुंची थी किनारे पर, देशभक्तों के खून की वो धारा याद कर लें. Thank you very much and wish you all a very, very happy Independence Day. Jai Hind.
Thank you, ma'am. Now, I, Anuradha Chaudhary, would like to share a story as how we have got independence after a long struggle from British rule.
Good morning, dear children. Today, ma'am will going to tell you a story behind India's independence. This is our country, India, and this is our national flag, Tiranga. And we have three colors in our national flag, saffron, white and green. So let's start the story about India's independence. What is Independence Day? Independence क्या होती है? जब हमें अपनी मर्जी से सारे काम करने की आजादी होती है, उसे इंडिपेंडेंस बोलते हैं. बहुत साल पहले इंडिया को गोल्डन बर्ड या सोने की चिड़िया कहते थे. इंडिया के लोग बहुत मेहनती थे और इंडिया का सिल्क, कॉटन, स्पाइसेस, गोल्ड, एग्रीकल्चर बहुत फेमस था. इंडिया के लोग इन सब का बिजनेस करके रिच होने लगे. उनको बहुत सारा गोल्ड मिलने लगा. इसलिए इंडिया को गोल्डन बर्ड या सोने की चिड़िया कहते थे. इंडिया के लोग बहुत खुश और प्रॉस्पर होने लगे तो अदर कंट्रीज के लोगों ने सोचा इंडिया में जाके बिजनेस करना चाहिए और अदर कंट्रीज के लोग आकर इंडिया में बिजनेस करने लगे. लेकिन बिजनेस करते करते वो अपने वापस कंट्री में गए ही नहीं. उन्होंने इंडिया के लोगों से बहुत काम करवाना शुरू किया. उनकी फ्रीडम ले ली, उनको स्लेव्स बना लिया. इंडिया के लोग बहुत दुखी हो गए. फिर गांधी जी ने कहा हम सबको मिलकर ब्रिटिशर्स को अपनी कंट्री से बाहर निकालना चाहिए. गांधी जी का साथ बहुत फ्रीडम फाइटर्स ने दिया और सब ने मिलकर ब्रिटिशर्स को भारत से चले जाने के लिए बोला, लीव इंडिया, और ब्रिटिशर्स अपनी कंट्री में चले गए. 15 अगस्त 1947 को इंडिया को फ्रीडम मिली. उस दिन के बाद एवरी 15 अगस्त को हम लोग अपना इंडिपेंडेंस डे सेलिब्रेट करते हैं और इंडिया के प्राइम मिनिस्टर नेशनल फ्लैग को हाइस्ट करते हैं. थैंक यू.
Thank you so much, Anuradha ma'am, and I hope you really like the story. We all are so different, but there is one thing that unites us, and it's independence. We should honor it and never forget how hard it was to get it. So, to enjoy this beautiful Independence Day, please invite our teachers for the song "ए वतन मेरे आबाद रहे तू"।
ए वतन वतन मेरे आबाद रहे तू, ए वतन वतन मेरे आबाद रहे तू, मैं जहाँ रहूं जहाँ भी याद रहे तू, मैं जहाँ रहूं जहाँ भी याद रहे तू। ए वतन मेरे वतन, ए वतन मेरे वतन। तू ही मेरी मंजिल है पहचान तुझी से, तू ही मेरी मंजिल है पहचान तुझी से, पहुंचूं मैं जहाँ भी मेरी बुनियाद रहे तू, पहुंचूं मैं जहाँ भी मेरी बुनियाद रहे तू। ए वतन मेरे वतन, ए वतन मेरे वतन। तुझ पे कोई गम की आँच लाने नहीं दूँ, तुझ पे कोई गम की आँच लाने नहीं दूँ, कुर्बान मेरी जान तुझ पे शाद रहे तू, कुर्बान मेरी जान तुझ पे शाद रहे तू। ए वतन वतन मेरे आबाद रहे तू, मैं जहाँ रहूं जहाँ में याद रहे तू। ए वतन मेरे वतन, ए वतन मेरे वतन।
Hope you have enjoyed this song with the melodious voices of our teachers. We dance for laughter, we dance for tears, we dance for madness, we dance for fear, we dance for hopes, we dance for screams. We are the dancers, we create dreams. So let's gear up for a beautiful start of the show and call our teachers for a dance performance. hands together to appreciate the teachers. Now it is the time to be the witness of such a great day and end today's auspicious program based on the celebration of our independence. My love for my nation is worthiness. My love for my people is endless. All I desire for my country is happiness. Let me be the first person to wish you a special Happy Independence Day. We hope you all enjoy, and we thank each and every individual for joining us and making this day one of our best days. Jai Hind.